Hello, kids. How are with you? With all of you. Okay. Hope everybody's fine. And look at this beautiful weather we're having lately. Okay. So I hope you enjoy it by a walk or in your garden, into a park. I don't know if they let us go in the park yet, but I bet around here you have somewhere to walk around and run and have fun. Okay. Well, today we're gonna finish Unit 11. Okay. And what we're gonna do is go through the book, okay, go through the unit, all right, the main vocabulary, the main things that we did, okay. We're not gonna go very deep in, all right, and then we're gonna do two worksheets, okay, that are very simple, just to see if we got everything from the unit, okay. Remember, we're almost done, okay. We're almost done with the book, so yeah, let's make it. Let's be strong. Come on, we can do it. We can make it, okay. All right, now look. Um, 2 weeks ago, I think we start. Yeah, not yeah. 2 weeks ago, we start with this unit. Okay, and I don't know if you remember that we had this beautiful birthday party. Okay, my birthday. I make it too big. Did I make it too big for you to? Yeah. Well, my birthday right here. Unit 11, and now let's make it bigger. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, here, all right, we can see things that we usually use, okay, for a birthday party, okay. Things are not named, for example, balloons, we're going to name them later, okay. The gift, you see it right here that we have a present here, okay. And what are we doing in a birthday party? Food and drinks, and that cake. I love the cake. Okay, here we got some hamburgers, sausages, lemonade, watermelon, oranges, and a cake right here with an 8. Somebody's 8 years old, turning 8 years old. Okay. Um. Okay. Over here, down below. All right. We have some other words that we use them in this little exercise that we did here. But I just want to go. I want to go. Okay. For example, we have party, as this one here. We have a beautiful party here. All right, that's a part of the house where you do your birthday party. If you don't want to do it in the garden, okay. Balloons. Oh, we love balloons. We love to put balloons all over. Okay, play with them, and it looks like there's a birthday party there. Okay, in the kitchen, another part of the house. Okay, where we cook and we do those sausages and burgers and fries and all these things. Okay, drinks. Yeah, drinks. We need drinks for the party. Okay, we have this beautiful cake, chocolate cake. All right, just put some candles on it and blow them. Okay, shoes. Ooh, someone just got you some shoes as a birthday present. Perfect. I love it. Okay, something you have to wear every day. Remember, in the chair, we get you on top of the chair, we move you, and we sing the happy birthday like we do in the classroom. Okay. All right, a chair for you to sit down so everybody can sing you the happy birthday. All right. Now let's go over here. All right, here we got fries. Okay, in this part over here, and what we say when you want to tell somebody if you will like some of something. Okay, would you like some fries? Yes, please. Oh no, thank you. That's perfect. Okay, the perfect way of asking and answering. Okay, and here, look, Monty says, "Would you like some fries?" Here are the fries. And Massman said, "Yes, I'd love some." Okay, remember between like and love, okay? Like is just a like, all right? But love is the top. Love is like, I love them. Okay, I will eat a bunch of them, okay? Remember between like and love, all right? Now, here there is stand, okay? And we used to, what we do is, as we sing it or as we read it, we have to point each part of it, okay? I like, here, make it a little bigger. Make, let's see if I can make it. There we go. I made it a little bigger, and I'm gonna put my of masked man. Okay. Now, I like a great big chocolate cake. Right here. Not like one for me. I like a nice long sausage. There we go. Okay, and I like one for me. I like a burger and some fries. Here below under. Okay, and I like some for me. I like a drink of lemonade right here. And I like some for me. I like colored pencils. Okay. And then I like a box of colored pencils. Don't give any to me, Trevor. Be careful. Okay. He loves pencils. We know that. He will eat everything he can. Okay. So let's continue. All right. Now here, um, all right. These three words. All right. And I know purple for you guys is really hard. Purple or purpe. I remember that in classroom. Remember your tongue, it has to slide and like, kind of shake in your mouth, okay? Purple, blah, 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 purple, bird, girl, okay? A purple bird for the birthday girl. All right, we got this UR and an IR, okay? Ur, bird, girl, okay? So try that at home. It works. Purple. All right. Okay, now here, remember we have a menu. We got food and drinks. Remember, food is the things we eat, and drinks are the ones we pour in a glass or a bottle and we drink them. Okay, all right. I say this because sometimes they tell you, well, what do you have for lunch? Okay, or what do you eat for lunch? And we always say milk. Milk, you don't eat it, you drink it. Okay, so let's distinguish between food and drink. Food, you have to cut it with a spoon or a fork and chew on it. A drink, you pour it on a glass or a bottle and you drink it. All right. Okay, here, well, we did the story. Okay, it was Marie's birthday. Remember Trevor, always thinking about a pencil cake. That was funny. All right. Um, what would you like to eat? I like a, I like a burger and fries, please. Okay, very simple. Now here, remember that we have this farm here with animals, trees, and plants, and we got all these things from the farm, from, for example, milk, meat, eggs, these animals, okay? And the animals provide us these ingredients, all right? And we got carrots, potatoes, and lemons, which is plants and trees, okay? Great. And well, remember we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? And the snacks, okay, is right in between them. Okay, we usually do five every day. Okay, so we add up snacks. All right, but the main ones are breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening. Okay, all right. There we go. The worksheets. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here, look, read, and match. Very simple. Okay, as we saw the book before, okay, I know this is kind of hard to look at, but here are the carrots, and the good thing about it is that we already got the carrots done. All right, so now where the eggs, where they come from? Yeah, there you go. Lemons. There's a beautiful song of a lemon tree. Okay. Oops, I think I said the answer. Meatballs. What do we need for meatballs? You know those meatballs? Okay, you go and you shape them and you fry them and put them with spaghettis or with sauce. I think they have some meat on it. They are made of meat, maybe. Okay, so remember who gives us the meat? Milk, same thing. All right, is a drink. And the potatoes, find and look for them. Potatoes, they could be somewhere here. Okay, now write the words. Here we have animals, here we have plants, and here we have a tree. From animals, from plants, from trees. So we get the apples, bananas, carrots, chicken, eggs, lemons, meat, milk, pears, potatoes, tomatoes. Put them in the right spot, in the right place. Okay. Now let's go over here. Look, I'm gonna be part of the farm. Yeah, there you go. I'm on the farm now. Okay, draw your favorite food. Okay, this is breakfast in the morning, for lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner for dinner. Okay, and here you have things: apple, bananas, bread, carrots, chicken, egg, fish, juice, meatballs, milk, oranges, potatoes, rice, and water. Remember, you can draw. Okay, I mean, you're not going to put milk or or water in a plate. Okay, so you can draw a glass. Okay, and tell me as milk. Okay, all right, great. Now tell your parents, and you're gonna tell them what's your favorite food for breakfast? And let's see what they tell you. They probably say, I like oranges and apples. So you have to draw here for breakfast uh, oranges and apples. Let's see how you draw. Okay. Well, kids, I'll send you this worksheet. Okay. I'll send you the corrections of the answers of the last worksheet that we did last Tuesday. I think it was. Yes, it was yesterday. No, Tuesday. Yeah. And I hope you have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Love you all. Miss you all a lot. Okay. And remember, have fun. You always have fun with these things. Okay. I know you do. Okay. Help mom and dad. Stay safe. Keep a distance. Not with mom and dad, of course. With strange people outside on the street. And be good. See you later. Bye bye. Love you all.